interface that comes with the PLAUD AI voice recorder. And as you can see, I already have some files stored on here. And basically, the way that the device works, it's about the size of a credit card. And you can get the one with a case that you can connect the magnet to the back of your phone, or you can just get the device itself and kind of carry it around like a credit card. But basically, you connect the device through this app via the Bluetooth, and what you do is you push a button on the PLAUD and it'll record, and you can have it either set up just to record audio through the device, or you can set it up to record a phone call. And what it'll do is it'll store that file on the device itself, and then you can transfer that file onto your phone, and you can go in and check your files, and whenever you select one, it will allow you to create a transcription, and then it'll allow you to create a summary, and then it'll allow you to have a mind map created, which basically just shows you the format or the structure of the summary that was made. And that summary, of course, is based on the transcription. And I think it's really cool because you can have up to 599 minutes a month of data transcribed and summarized for you. And I believe that's somewhere around $10 a month after the first 3 free months. Or you can pay for a 1-year subscription up front, which gives you a little bit of a discount. And so I've got several files on here. Most of these are just sermons that I've recorded. And what will allow you to do is actually record the audio, and then you can choose how you want that information to be transcribed, whether it's a speech or a conference call or it's lecture notes or something like that. And then, of course, obviously, up there in the corner, you see where it says connect in the top left corner. That is a way to connect the device to your phone if it's not already connected. And you can also, like I said, do the same thing but with phone calls, and it'll transcribe that information that you've recorded into written form, and then you can go back and you can read it word for word. You can read all of the text that was transcribed, and then also if you find somewhere in the text, like let's say you read a part that has been not transcribed correctly, you can use the little pencil tool here to edit that part of the text, and then you can go back and save it, or you can copy the text to your clipboard and you can save that somewhere else. And whenever you go into the summary, depending on what kind of summary you've created, you can change the location where it was recorded at, and then some of the identifying information that will allow you to know who was the speaker or what was the topic that was being discussed. And so it's a very cool device. Honestly, it's very powerful and very accurate. There are some times where I've gone back and I've kind of edited where it has mistranscribed some information, but for the most part it does a fantastic job. It's a very powerful tool, and I think this is something that would be useful for obviously taking notes for preaching, sermons, college lectures, conferences, consultations, different things like that, because you can go back and you can read it word for word what was said, and then also you can go back and you can check the summary out just to get those highlights for studying, and really boil it down to the high points of whatever was discussed. So honestly, I think that this tool is very fantastic. I honestly think it's well worth the money, and the fact that it's using artificial intelligence to do this is phenomenal. and I hope that they just continue to improve the tool. It's already amazing as it is right now, but I imagine, that they'll continue to update the tool, and they'll update the software and stuff like that. So yeah, I really highly recommend this to people, and I'm really enjoying it so far. Very easy to use, set up. The battery lasts for a long time. You can record many hours of audio with this thing, and like I said, you just for the first 3 months you get free access to the transcribing. You get 599 minutes for that, which is much more than what I really need. But let's say I was doing a lot of business meetings and stuff like that, where I wanted to be able to transcribe the conversations and take notes and stuff like that. It would definitely be well worth it. So yeah, that's my review of the PLAUD AI voice recorder, and I hope that helps.
Hey guys, today I'm going to do a recording and review on the PLAUD NOTE recording that's supposed to help you when you're in a classroom setting. I purchased this a while back, not too far back, well, less than a month. However, this is a great product, but it's just not a great product for me. The problem is with this, it gives you the device. This is the device, the carrying case. It gives you this little packet the device goes into. It has the charging cable. It comes with it. And it also gives you all the instructions and all the things that comes with the packaging inside of this box here. And how this works is that you just download, scan the code, and it uploads the app, and you connect to it. It gives you 300 free minutes to start using, and then after 300 minutes, you purchase minutes. I purchased minutes, I think 6,000 minutes for either $69 or $89. The great part is that it's not per month. It's just until you run out of minutes. Using this in the classroom setting did not work. It did not pick up and record very well. My teacher was not talking low, was not talking, he wasn't yelling either. However, it was a class about safety risk and certain types of business. And this actually picked up and gave some type of summary view about things that happen overseas, Asian lifestyle. And I was like, it had nothing to do with that. Again, took this product into church yesterday to Sunday school just to see if it was just the environment I was in at class. And again, it did not record and do well. However, when I used this product through YouTube, just curiosity to see if it will actually help. So when I did some YouTube videos about an insurance class information, it recorded perfect. It hit all the nails and bullets and everything, like it knew exactly what it wanted to do through an AI service. It summarized and got straight to the point, downloaded the summary, and was able to do wonderful with it. However, me using this long term, what's in class, like I'm going to need to use it, was not a great fit for me. So just please understand that it is a good product, but it doesn't seem like it's going to fit every single need for every person that uses it. So this is my review on the PLAUD NOTE. Did it actually work? It depends on the recording session or whatsoever. Does it work in all settings? Pretty much not. So even though I tried to use as many of my minutes as possible, it was still left over 4,000 minutes before this product was actually sent back to the company. But in the event the company actually sees my video, I just needed them to know, not a bad product. It was just not the best product for me for what I was needing in my situation. Thank you and have a great day.